Hello everyone and welcome to the Tiandy product channel. Today we would like to introduce to you TC-C35XQ from Tiandy. Now we can't wait to open it. Based on a deep learning algorithm, this TC-C35XQ can trigger the alarm after identifying people or vehicles, reducing false alarm without omitting any important details. At the same time, after triggering the VCA, the TC-C35XQ will give an audible and flashlight alarm and can have a remote call for deterrent. With all these functions, we can help Tiandy users minimize the loss. You could select the required parameters in the setting interface before using. First, we need to set a perimeter or tripwire. Look, when someone enters this area, an alarm will be triggered and the screen will change from black and white to full color. To achieve the visual effect in the daytime, you just need to sit in front of the computer or use your Tiandy app named Easy Live to control everything.
You have intruded into the restricted area.
Our cameras can be widely used in monitoring sceneries such as factories, parks, supermarkets, and shops along the street. We can do things far beyond your imagination. What are you waiting for with such a perfect camera? For more information, please follow us.